Welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing you something truly special, the 2026 new Ford luxurious motorhome. Ford has taken the concept of adventure and comfort to a whole new level, creating a vehicle that blends elegance, power, and technology in a way that sets it apart from the rest. This motorhome is not just about travel, it's about redefining how you experience the journey itself. On the outside, the 2026 Ford motorhome carries a bold and futuristic design. Its aerodynamic body lines make it look sleek while still maintaining the strength and toughness Ford is known for. The front fascia is dominated by a massive chrome grille paired with adaptive LED headlights that give it a commanding road presence. Day or night, smooth curves along the sides flow into a sculpted rear, while large panoramic windows enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the visibility from inside. The alloy wheels are oversized and designed not only for luxury but also for off-road durability, making sure this motorhome locks at home on highways, mountain passes, or coastal routes. The exterior finish is available in premium metallic shades, giving it a rich and polished presence no matter where it goes. When it comes to performance, Ford has engineered this motorhome to be more than just a slow-moving home on wheels. Under the hood lies a powerful yet refined hybrid powertrain, combining a robust turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor. This gives the 2026 Ford luxurious motorhome a perfect balance of torque, fuel efficiency, and eco-friendly driving. Whether you are cruising along highways or tackling uphill routes, the performance remains smooth and reliable. Its advanced suspension system ensures stability and comfort even on uneven terrains, reducing vibrations and giving passengers a serene ride. With smart driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, the driving experience is effortless, safe, and enjoyable for long-distance travel. Fuel economy has been significantly improved with Ford's latest hybrid technology, offering long-range capabilities without compromising on power. The motorhome is also equipped with regenerative braking, making sure energy is optimized for every mile. This means you can go further on fewer stops, giving you more freedom to explore without worrying about fuel efficiency. Inside, the 2026 Ford luxurious motorhome is nothing short of a 5-star hotel on wheels. The driver's cabin is futuristic with digital displays, premium captain chairs, and seamless connectivity. The lounge area is crafted with plush recliner sofas, ambient LED lighting, and a smart entertainment system. The kitchen is modern with stainless steel appliances and a marble countertop, while the bedroom offers a king-size bed with premium finishes, making it feel more like a luxury suite than a motorhome. Even the bathroom is designed with elegance, featuring a rainfall shower and stylish fittings. The 2026 Ford luxurious motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience that combines style, innovation, and performance in a way that few others can. Ford has created a masterpiece that promises to turn every journey into an unforgettable adventure, giving travelers not just mobility but true luxury on the road. Welcome to my channel. Aj hamba at current whalehain ak's masterpiece ki jo automotive luxury ki dunia mein standard set karti high. Ye 2026 Rolls-Royce luxurious motorhome, ek isa moving palace jo travel ko redefined karti high. Rolls-Royce con hum say elegance, craftsmanship or prestige ka symbol high. Ab company ni motorhome segment mine apna kadam rakha high. Sabspelba at card hain's exterior design key is terra Rolls-Royce apni cars mine timeless beauty or royal presence. Kadi high, what essence is motorhome mine bidik the high. Sam ka signature Rolls-Royce grille, LED laser headlights saw bold yet graceful body lines isco act commanding presence to tain. Exterior ko a's design kayoga high car jaga apko act floating luxury villa ka fila a high gloss chrome detailing, bespoke color options or aerodynamic body design is motorhome co highway parek moving statement bonnet pain. 26-inch alloy wheels or adaptive suspension system XAF, iska stance road par ek luxury yet lag the high. Performance perspective say Rolls-Royce Nia's motorhome mine ek hybrid V12 engine introduce Kia high, Joe power refinement car perfect blend high, ye engine around 700 horsepower produce cardi high, advanced hybrid technology key wajah say fuel efficiency big coffee improve hua high, drive cart walk tapco Rolls-Royce key trademark magic carpet ride experience hodi high, Joe adaptive air suspension intelligent road scanning system key wajah say possible hodi high, long journeys door and vibration noise almost eliminate ho jane, Joe's motorhome co-ek true luxury travel experience banati high, stability handling ply state-of-the-art traction system, all-wheel drive autonomous driving assist features Dige Hain, iska matlab hike shay app manually drive Karen autopilot modus Karen, comfort safety hamshal top priority ray ega tab thodi ba car late Hain interior key, jab app is motorhome candor enter cart Hain, to Apco ek ultra luxurious lounge coffee hodi high, Rolls-Royce Nia signature handcrafted leather, wood veneers customizable ambient lighting kai use Kia high, interior mind spacious lounge, king-size bed, fully equipped kitchen smart bathroom facilities Hain, South High I-powered smart home integration system Diageo high Joe lighting, climate entertainment co-control car mine madad cardi high, harak detail, K-O stitching Hoya material selection, craftsmanship ultimate level showcase carti high, Yahan tack windows mine electrochromic glass lag Diageo high Joe app mood privacy co-cording adjust hojadi high, technology point of view say ek masterpiece high, higher resolution entertainment screens, 5G connectivity surround sound system is motorhome co-ek moving luxury theater bonnet at Hain, navigation system fully AI integrated high Joe not only routes suggest cardi high bulky real-time traffic weather analysis pick cardi high. Ta overall 2026 Rolls-Royce luxurious motorhome ek isa creation high Joe surf travel kleina hin. Baki ek moving lifestyle Kly design Kia Gaya high, Yan log on Kly high Joe compromise not e cart urge Joe champagne kanka safar on destination say Bizayada luxurious home, Rolls-Royce Nia Akbar for Sabit car dia high luxury my den mine and kokoi makablina hinda. Welcome to my channel, where today we take an exclusive look at the 2026 new luxurious motorhome Lamborghini a masterpiece of power, style, and comfort that redefines what it means to travel in pure Italian luxury. Lamborghini has taken its legendary supercar DNA and merged it with the elegance of a high-end motorhome, creating a vehicle that is as breathtaking to look at as it is to drive. The exterior is nothing short of a rolling work of art. The sharp, aggressive Lamborghini lines remain unmistakable, yet they are seamlessly integrated into a motorhome body that commands presence on the road. The aerodynamic silhouette has been designed for both style and efficiency, with carbon fiber accents, sleek LED matrix headlights, and bold air intakes that give it a futuristic and powerful stance. Every panel reflects Lamborghini's meticulous attention to detail, from the signature Y-shaped lighting elements to the custom color options inspired by their most iconic supercars. Sitting on massive alloy wheels with low-profile all-terrain tires, this motorhome is ready for highways and remote scenic routes without losing an ounce of style. Under the hood or rather, beneath the sleek body the performance is truly mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. Powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors, it delivers over 950 horsepower, enabling smooth acceleration and an almost surreal driving experience for a motorhome. The Lamborghini Performance DNA ensures razor-sharp handling, adaptive suspension for comfort in any terrain, and precision steering that makes long drives feel effortless. The advanced all-wheel drive system combined with active aerodynamics keeps the motorhome planted and stable, even at high speeds. while regenerative braking ensures efficiency on longer journeys. This is not just a home on wheels, it's a supercar you can live in. Step inside, and the interior reveals a sanctuary of opulence. Lamborghini's craftsmanship is evident in every stitch, with premium Alcantara, fine Italian leather, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting creating a luxurious atmosphere. The cockpit is driver-focused, with the fully digital customizable display, Lamborghini's signature flat-bottom steering wheel, and an intuitive infotainment system offering navigation, entertainment, and smart home controls for the living space. The living area features everything you'd expect from a luxury motorhome and more: a spacious lounge with designer furniture, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with top-grade appliances, and a private master suite with a king-size bed. All speak of comfort and style. The bathroom is like a high-end spa, complete with a rainfall shower and premium finishes. Smart automation allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with a touch or voice command. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of lifestyle, blending the thrill of a Lamborghini supercar with the freedom of luxury travel. For those who want to experience the world without compromising on speed, comfort, or style, this is the ultimate dream machine. Whether parked at an exclusive coastal spot or cruising through scenic mountain roads, this motorhome ensures you arrive in unmatched elegance and performance.